Hi there, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to teach you how to play Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas, and this makes my 7th piano tutorial of my Advent piano tutorial series. Check out the comment section below where I've listed the rest of the playlists, and you can learn one Christmas song a day in the lead up to Christmas. So let's begin with the right hand melody line first. So we're going to play C, E, G, C, and then G, F, E, D, C, D, C, E, G, C, G. I'll do that again. And the left hand with that is going to first play a C major, which is C, E and G. And then you're going to move to an A minor 7, which is just moving that C down to an A. So A, E and G. And then you're going to move that shape up to D minor 7, which is D, A and C. And then move that same shape down again to G, D and F. And then that progression repeats, so C major, A minor 7, D minor 7, G minor 7. So I'm going to very slowly put that together. And that section repeats twice more throughout the song as well, so that's a lot of the song done already. Now on to the next bit. So the right hand is going E, G, C, E, and then D, C, B, A, G, F, E. And then we have this little sort of interlude, which isn't sung, which goes C, B, B flat, A, B flat, A flat, G. So this like chromatic pattern. I'll do that again. And the left hand with that is playing the C chord again. And then instead of an A minor 7 chord, you just played an A minor chord. And all you're going to do is move your thumb up to A, so we're playing an inversion of A minor. And then we have this D minor 7 chord again. And then we're going to go up to an E7 chord, which is E, G sharp and D. And we're going to move that shape to an A7 chord, which is A, C sharp and G. And then move that same shape up to D7 chord, which is D, F sharp and C. And then that G7 chord again. So I'll just play that chord progression again. C, A minor, D minor 7, E7, A7, D7, G7. And that part fits together like this. And then after that section, the first bit we did at the beginning repeats again. After you've played the first part again, it's on to this next part. So it's very similar to the one we've just done. So the right hand's going to go E, G, C, E, D, C, B, A, G sharp, B, C, E, A, B flat, and then C, D. And those two last notes lead on to the next section. So I'll play that right hand again. And the left hand with that is playing, again, similar chords we've done so far. So we've got C, A minor, D minor 7, and then we have that E7 again. Back to A minor, and again. And then this time we have a G minor 7, which is G, B flat and F. And then we have a C7, which is C, G and B flat. And then a C augmented chord, which is C, E and G sharp. So I'll run through that chord progression again. And that fits together like this. So the right hand of the next section goes like this. E, 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 D, C, B, C, D, C, B, A, B, C, B, B. I'll do that again. And the left hand with that part, you're going to play an F major, which is F, A, C, and then an F minor, so you're just moving the A to an A flat. And then you're going to play C major, and then C diminished. Now you're going to play C, E flat, and G flat, and then that D minor 7 again. And then we're going to play E minor 3 times. And on the fourth one, you're just going to move your thumb to a C, which will give you a C major inversion chord. So I'll go through that chord progression again. So we've got F, F minor, C, C diminished, G minor 7, then E minor, 2, 3, C major. And that part fits together like this. And then the last little bit of this section, you're going to play in the right hand, C, 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 B, A, G, A, B, G, A, B, C, D, and then down an octave to D, and then G, and then F, which leads on to that very, very first bit we learn again. So I'll do that right hand one more time. And the left hand with that part, you're going to play an A6, so you can just play A and F sharp, and then a B7 chord, which is B, F sharp and A, and then E minor, and then G augmented, so all you're going to do is move the E to a D sharp, and then move that down again. So now you're playing a G major inversion. And then we have this D7 chord again. And then we have the D minor 7 chord. And then the G7 chord. I'll run through that chord progression one more time. And then that fits together like this. So as I said, the very first section repeats again after that. And then after you've repeated that first section, the right hand is going to go E, G, C, E, and then F, E, D, C, B, D, E, D, C, C, D, E. I'll play that again. And the left hand with that is going to play C, A minor, D minor 7, E major 7, and then back to A minor, and then C augmented, so you're just going to move your thumb to the G sharp, and then I'll fit that together. And then the next part goes, so the very last bit, the right hand, E, F, A, C, E, D, C, B, A, B, C. And then you're going to end on this chord here, which is B, E, and G. So I'll do that one more time. And the left hand with that is going to play an F major chord again. And then you're going to play an A minor, but this time you're just going to move your little finger down to E. And then D minor 7 again. And then we have a D minor, but you're going to flatten the 5, which is D, F and A flat. And then C major. But what you could do is you could play the triad like that if you're able to, and then end on a C chord. So I'll fit that together. So that concludes all the parts needed to play this song. Like in all my videos, I've linked the full chord, song and lyric structure in the description below so you can piece it all together and follow along. If this video has been useful, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to Bitesize Piano for many more tutorials like this one. If you have any song requests, please leave them down below. All requests are considered and noted. I look forward to talking with you all there, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.